So I had to pay 120 baht to get in here for the entrance fee. I think the Thai entrance fee is 20 baht, and then for foreigners it's 120 baht, which some people get mad at that. I mean, at the end of the day, 100 baht's like $3.50 at today's exchange rates. So I don't really care that much. I guess if you care about the principle, then maybe it bothers you. But anyway, they use the money to like maintain the place and pay salaries and whatnot, so I'm cool with it. Yeah, so we are descending, making our way to the first area, so let's check it out. So you can read the sign yourself. I'm not going to read it out loud. And let's continue on. See what we find. Alright guys, we are finally here. So Pha Chor, the height is 30 meters and the width is 100 meters. Let's check it out. Let's see what all the hype is about. You know what the funny thing is, the first time I started researching this place, I saw someone take a picture from this exact sign. So it's kind of funny, finally, like months and months later, standing in front of it. It's kind of cool. Alright guys, so I just left the main area, and all in all, it's cool. I wouldn't put it on a must-see itinerary. It's interesting, it's unique. If you're in Chiang Mai for a while, check it out. But if you're in Chiang Mai for a short while, there's definitely more interesting things to see and do than coming here. But it's pretty cool, you know what I mean? Like if you're here, like I said, if you're here for a while, then it's a cool place to check out. But definitely there's more exciting stuff in Chiang Mai than Pha Chor. But anyway, cool place. On to the next one. Alright, ladies and gents, we are on the second stop of our reverse Mae Hong Son Loop, and that second stop is the Mae Ya Waterfall, which if you were actually here, you could hear the stream. So let's go. But before we get to the waterfall, which I can already see in the horizon, I think I'm gonna get a snack because I'm really hungry. Oh, by the way, it costs 320 baht to get in here as a foreigner, and 50 baht, 70 baht. Oh, actually, basically the entrance ticket is 50 baht if you're Thai, 300 if you're a foreigner, and then it's like another 20 baht for the bike. So anyway, I'm about to get a snack before we hit the waterfall. Pick up เมี่ยงคำ Oh, okay. ขอบคุณครับ Okay, and that was the Mae Waterfall. Again, the second stop on our reverse Mae Hong Son tour. So I'm kind of in a little bit of a jam right now because I started off late, and my plan was to go to the twin pagodas, the King and Queen's pagodas, which was built by the Royal Thai Air Force. I've been there before, but when I went, it was like really cloudy and you couldn't see a damn thing. And so I really wanted to go there to get some shots. But then from there, so basically from here to Mae Sariang, which is kind of where I want to sleep, is 2 hours and 45 minutes. And then it's an hour and a half to go to those twin pagodas. And I don't know in which direction. Let me take a look and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, I'm in this little village in the middle of the mountains. So I opted to skip the twin pagodas just for time reasons. So I'm on the road to Mae Sariang. I'm about an hour away, but I was really hungry, and I actually, what drew me here was that I saw they had gasoline because half my tank was gone. So I came in to get gas. I accidentally bought too much gas, so I spilled some gas on the side. Ooh, oh shit. And I got a little too much gas. Actually, a lot more gas. That's a lot of gas. Ooh, I knew I should have went for that 50. On the, you know, on the, not even pavement, but just on the ground. And then I asked her if she had food. And it turns out they have food too. So she just whipped me up. Actually, not her. It was the guy that works in the kitchen whipped me up two really tasty like stir-fried veggies and rice and fried eggs. Yeah. And so I checked Google Maps and there's like a little place near here. I don't know if it's open, but it's only 3 minutes away, so I'm gonna go check it out. And if they're open, I'm gonna stay there and then head out tomorrow morning. If they're not, then I'll be on my merry way. So